Yo, yo, yo. Ooh.
Let's park.
Whee! Yeah. Good.
I don't think the snow is fluffy.
Alex to the rescue.
You set up camp right here?
Oh, totally.
Let's do it.
I gotta know. Makes it fun, I think. And it's nice because you don't.
It's different. It might be.
Damn, Leslie went in like a boss. What if there's a bear in there?
Let me see one.
Your writing's kind of ass. Good try.
It's with practice. We gotta do it again. Damn.
See where we're gonna start.
What's up, fool? How we doing, huh? Bandit?
Right here.
Ho ho.
Oh, we went the wrong way. That's okay though, not by much.
How's the map looking?
Still there.
The map is still there.
We were halfway there like 30 minutes ago. Oh, did you say that? Yeah. You can see a wild angel.
There you go.
Don't know what he does fast. That's pretty narrow.
Hell yeah.
Paths that are not very frequented feels a bit more exciting.
Oh, definitely. Scarier. Boys, we made it. Eagle view. Look out. Boop, 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 boop. Borrow rock.
Tell me where I'm reenacting the last of us. Let's hold it. Let's go to finish it. We have a number here.
Whoa.
Whoa.
2 in 1. Woo.
Yeah, it'll be a little easier, I think. Into some encouragement.
La roca de los morros.
Hey.
Morro rock.
Imagine slipping off.
You're dead.
Going down on this is going to be awful.
We're gonna just sit down.
Oh, fair enough. I'm going to sit in your lap.
Yes. We'll just all hold on to each other. We'll do like a little train on the way down. Tú puedes. There you go.
Don't let go of the rail ever. Always hold on.
No, I know. Oh,
Yeah, like, yeah, always keep, don't like let go and grab with 2 hands.
I see.
There we go. No, keep going, keep going.
Don't let
You
go.
could still
don't let
potentially
go,
slip,
don't
so
let go.
keep going until you get to this part right here.
Don't let go. Don't let go.
Right.
Okay, you're good. Yeah. I don't know about that steak, bro.
I needed food.
Ballsy ass motherfucker. Dale, Angel.
Llegó Moisés
10 pasos más.
con los 10 mandamientos.
You look like in the Everest.
Yeah, right? That looks very impressive.
Mira esto.
Sí.
Se ve muy bien.
Should have brought a sign that says Everest. Just like held it. We're gonna all cheers with the spoon. We're gonna all cheers with the spoon.
It's getting real colorful.
Charlie.
We did it. We're heading back.
What's up? I got the stick still. I'm about to leave it though.
Oh, it's so red. Look at this. Look at this. Headed back down. Vamos al cantón. Un chocolatito caliente, un champurrado. Chu, chu, chu.
Yo, 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 how we doing? Let's get it.
Oh yeah, the jalapeno pieces. Hit it.
Go. Because it was like basic. Nevada Falls. Yeah. So I'm gonna go Nevada Falls as number 4.
Perfect.
Nevada Falls number 4 because
God damn, I got a cramp. Get big.
like, oh, I have another hand.
Throwing pine cones.
Nah, it's not slippery enough.
You said throw snowballs at him?
Yep. Make a little more energy.
How's that one?
That's my left cheek. It's not a loose rock.
Race! Race!
That's not true. The blue one is that the one?
Oh, I got it.